Welcome back to my channel. Today we will be making airdryclay, from which we can make a lot of creative and useful things to keep yourself engaged at quarantine. The materials needed are as follows. We need cornflour, glue, lemon juice, and at last some oil. This is a very easy thing to make, which the things we find in our kitchen. Let's get started. The first step is to add all the ingredients and mix, in which turns out as a creamy paste. As a fact, airdryclay does not need to be heated, unlike traditional clays that need to be fired in a kiln at a high temperature, or polymer clay that needs to be heated in an oven to cure. This kind of clay hardens and cures at a normal room temperature. At once dried, it can be painted and decorated in variety of ways. Next, we are going to heat this paste in low temperature of heat. Don't do it alone. Parents' guidance is recommended. Pour it in and whisk it continuously. Slowly you will start to get some lumps, and then you can off the burner. Let the clay cool down before you touch it, or else you will burn your hands. After it has cooled down, knead it with some cornflour and make it into a dough. Please subscribe, we can get our first century soon. And that's it, we got our airdryclay. Don't forget to wrap it in cling wrap and store it in a airlock container so that the clay won't dry off. Soon some origami and painting series are coming soon, so keep those bell icons on so that you guys won't miss a video. Let me hear your ideas in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video.